Hi guys, I'm back. Russell Siangco, your vlogger here in Auckland, New Zealand. And guess what? Nasaan po tayo ngayon? Wala na pong iba. Ang newly open, kahapon lamang po ang kailang grand opening. Dito po sa Fried Chicken Headquarters. Dito po sa may Great North Road, sa may West area. At mga kaibigan, wala po yung may-ari pero nandito yung eldest son nila. Papakilala ko sa inyo. Wala nang iba. Ang napakagwapong Uniko Iho. Yes. Ayan siya, Nak. Nak, introduce yourself sa ating mga televiewers and followers.
My name is Jury Sally. Ako po ang anak po ng owner. And here, ako po nag-represent ng mga anak po natin pagkain. Here we have chicken and as well as burger. Lahat chicken po. So, lilipad na tayo at one point.
Yeah. Yes. So, anak, kahapon yung ribbon cutting din, no? Tsaka blessed by Father Mario. So, masayang-masaya ka ba dahil eto, newly owned kayo ng fried chicken katulad nito. At syempre pa, narinig ko yung chef, tito mo. Oh, di ba? Pride natin yan. Yes.
Family-orientated business.
Yes, and I'm so proud na meron tayong Filipino chef. Pride po natin yan dito sa New Zealand, mga kaibigan. Hindi lang po sa Pilipinas umiikot ang ating mga international chef katulad ng tito niya, ang chef ng Fried Chicken Headquarters. So mamaya, mga kaibigan, iikot tayo doon sa kitchen, papakita ni chef kung paano yung preparation at paano lulutuin yung mga freshly orders ng mga customers natin. Ang pagkakaalam ko, hindi nila hinahayaan lumamig ang chicken. So may Uber Eats po sila. So kailangan pagdating doon, mainit at fresh yung pagkain. So ilang minutes yun, anak, before yung...
Usually before ma-finish yung pagkain, 5 minutes. 5 minutes before. And then kinakol na namin sila. Come over, pick it up, get it home.
Wow. So yun ang services na napakaganda. Alright, Iho. So ano ang best sellers natin dito sa Fried Chicken Headquarters?
Well, our headquarter burger over there with Thai filet, small pickle, cheese, burger sauce.
Oh, crispy siya.
Crispy, yes.
Fresh.
Even if nasa bahay na deliver, it's still crunchy.
Crunchy pa rin yung chicken.
Yep.
So meron kayong thigh, breast. So nagugutom na ako. Iniisip ko pa lang.
So no worries about the bone. Pag kinagat mo, lahat chicken. Okay?
Chicken talaga?
Yep.
Oh, yes! So guys, nandito na tayo sa loob ng kitchen nila. So ngayon, titingnan natin yung gagawin ni Chef, no? Nelson, kung yung preparation ng pagkain. So, ayun siya sa likod. Yan, halika. So, hintayin natin maluto yung fried chicken. Okay, so yun na, nilalagyan yung chicken, yung fried chicken sa fryer. Oh, napakainit ang mantika na yan. So, eto na yung luto ng fried chicken ni Chef Nelson. Yan, may pickles pa, mga kaibigan. Nakakataka, mga kaibigan. Alright guys, here's our order prepared by our chef Nelson. So I'm about to taste the foods. Of course, with the eldest son of the owner, si Jury, mga kaibigan, who will explain about these foods, kung ano yung mga to at ano yung mga flavors nito. Alright Jury, so ano yung mga fried chicken na to? Anong flavors nila?
Well, parang madami titignan natin, but actually we only have 3 flavors. We have lemon pepper, we have classic, Nashville, hot and spicy for those spicy lovers.
Oh,
Here we have curly fries, our
Wow.
best-selling sides.
wow.
Here we have our best-selling burger, which is the
Headquarters. So, this is the headquarters pala. Yung chicken burger nila, mga kaibigan. Mga kaibigan, aroma pa lang, gugutumin ka na. Naglalaway na ako. Kainin na natin ito, mga kaibigan. So, Yuri,
Alright.
tikman ko na, ha? Banata ko na. Okay. So, ito yung hot muna.
Yes.
Nashville. So, tingnan natin. Kamayin natin kasi pagkain ng chicken, mga kaibigan, masarap kamayin. Diba? Tikman mo rin.
No, it's okay.
Ha? Sigurado ka, ha? Ito.
Nabubusog na ako sa tinitingnan ko lang.
Oh, dalawa camera ko, yan, no? So, yes. Ayan, tingnan na.
Nagugutom na rin ako dito.
Ang sarap! Maanghang siya, pero kaya ko. Kaya ko yung anghang.
Sobrang sarap.
Na sobrang sarap, mga kaibigan, Nashville. Wow! First time ko makatikim, mga kaibigan, ng ganitong fried chicken. Mula dito sa fried chicken headquarters. Hindi ko alam paano nila ginawa, tinimpla. Ito naman, second taste natin, ito yung lemon pepper. So, chicken wing siya. Mapapatilaan ko talaga sa sarap ng manok na to. Lemon pepper fried chicken. Sarap. Yung classic chicken nila. Ito. So, chicken wing pa rin. Classic chicken. Lambot ang manok. Number 1, the best. First, yung ano nila, yung headquarters chicken burger. Ito, guys, ang laki. Ang laki ng chicken burger nila. Headquarters chicken burger. Oh, mga kaibigan. Yum, yum, yum. Paano kaya kakainin to sa laki, oh, mga kaibigan? Ito. Whew. Ang sarap nito. Mapapakagat ka talaga sa sarap ng headquarters fried chicken nila. Last but not the least, yung curly fries nila dito sa fried chicken headquarters. Mainit pa yung curly fries nila, oh. So, pwede mo rin lagyan ng sauce to, no? Pwede ka rin humingi ng sauce. Yan.
The three flavors, the classic, lemon pepper, Nashville, hot and spicy. Pwede pa siya lagyan. If you want. Request mo lang.
Okay, pero kahit mo lang sauce.
Yep. Without seasoning, masarap pa rin.
Sarap nito. Sarap. Sarap! So, humingi tayo ng sauce ng curly fries natin, which is yung pinili natin yung lemon pepper. So, ito na siya. Seasoning. We need to ask questions dito kay Jury. More about how to contact you guys. Can you please give us your details, especially to our followers?
Right. So, we have our social media. We have Facebook. We have our telephone, where you can walk in anytime. You can also go through with Uber Eats.
Oh, okay.
And Food Hub.
And Food Hub as well. Oh,
When you
man.
order, it will come up here, and then it'll print out, pass it on to the chef, and all ready.
And then, ilang minutes yung yung tatawagan niyo yung customer?
5 to 7 minutes before it's finished.
Oh,
So
parang
by
fresh.
the time they get here, it's ready. It's ready to dispatch, and then it gets home fresh, hot and crispy.
Opening hours, Jury.
So Tuesday to Sunday po, from 3 o'clock to 10 p.m.
So, 3 o'clock to 10 p.m., Tuesday to Sunday. Yan, mga kaibigan. Kasi Monday off sila, eh. Alright. So, guys, eto na. Kakainin ko sa kotse. Yan. Gugutom pa ako, mga kaibigan. And tiniti ako. And of course, guys, I will come back again. And for those sa mga followers natin dito sa New Zealand, nearly dito sa Auckland. Of course, sa mga nasa New Zealand, napupunta ng Auckland, please do visit Fried Chicken Headquarters dito sa, anong address nyo?
This is in Tiara to South.
Theater to South. Yan. Great North Road. Yes. So guys, once again, this is your vlogger. And don't forget to please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Food and Travel with Russell. And please click the bell button for further notification. And sa ating Facebook page, like and share. And please give your stars sa Food and Travel. Kailangan ko po yan, mga kaibigan. Maraming po salamat. Again, with Jury, ang napakagwapong bata, Chef Nelson behind me, and the pretty Filipina behind me, of course. Maraming po salamat sa mga followers po natin. Shoutout po sa lahat ng mga followers. And then, yeah, bye-bye. Russell Shango, your vlogger, here in Auckland, New Zealand. Bye! Bye!
Alright guys, for those who are not my subscribers, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Facebook page. Just type Food and Travel with Russell. Click the bell for further notifications. Like and share my video, and always keep watching my vlog. Again, this is Russell Shanko, your vlogger. Bye!